All right, everybody. So here's your core bites number 53. Make sure you make your corrections on your paper. And the first one has some cookies here. Some of us might already be thinking of Christmas cookies. A bakery sold 42 packs of cookies. There were 30 cookies in each pack. How many cookies did the bakery sell? So you're trying to find the total number. So for this, you're going to have to do multiplication. So if you do 42 times 30, and here's a trick you can do. If you just move the 0 over and bring it down, and then you can do 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 4 is 12, so your answer is 1,260 cookies. That's a lot of cookies, guys. And then the next one says find the product of 7,892 and 9, so you're going to have to multiply those together. So if you do 7,892 and then multiply by 9. So 9 times 2 is 18. Regroup your 1. 9 times 9 is 81. Plus 1 is 82. 8 times 8 is 64. So 8 times 9 is 72. Plus 8 would give you 80. And then 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is 56. And then 7 times 9 would be 63. So 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. So your answer would be 71,028. And then for number 3, it says multiply and simplify your answer. So with fractions, what you do, if you have a whole number, you just put a 100, and you multiply across the top and the bottom. So 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 5 is 5. So then what you have to do, you have a larger number on top for your numerator, so you have to divide to actually find the mixed number, because this is what we call an improper fraction, all right? So we need to make it a mixed number. So we're going to have a whole number, and then we're going to have some fractions with it, okay? So we're just going to divide, and we're going to be learning. I'm going to do standard algorithm, and you're going to be learning this next week. So 5 times 1 is close to 9, but not over, all right? The answer is going to be 1. 5 times 1 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. And when you're dealing with fractions, instead of doing the remainder, you would just do the leftover number on the numerator, and then the bottom number, which is your divisor, under it. So your answer would be 1 4/5. That is what this, whenever you multiply those together, that's what you would get. And then for number 4, the sum of 2 angles is 115 degrees. If one angle measures 100 degrees, what is the measure of the other angle? Okay, so if you add them all together, you get 115. You already know 1 is 100, so 115 minus 100 gives you 15. And of course, it's in degrees because you're talking about angles. Okay, not temperature, angles. They're different. And then for your last one, it says, what type of triangle is drawn? So these little symbols right here mean that they're equal. So this side and this side are equal. The longer side right here is longer, so it's not the same. So an equilateral triangle would have all 3 sides the same, so that is not correct here. An isosceles has 2 that are the same and 1 that's not, so that works. And in scaling, they could possibly all be different sizes, so it's not that. So 2 sides have to be congruent for it to be isosceles, and they are, so the answer is B. So guys, make sure you make your corrections, and please let us know if you have any questions.